Hi guys, Seth K Bani here. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I want to give everybody an A4 sheet mockups that they can use for their designs. I use this particular mockups for my banners and my flyers. Anytime I send a work to a client, like I said earlier in previous videos, I make sure I put them in mockups first before I send it to them. That way they appreciate the output of the work and then they are able to envisage the final product that they are looking for. And so I have about 18 or even more flyers mockups in an A4 sheet format, and I want to give a giveaway today. So guys, follow it through. There's going to be a password on the screen, the lower right corner. I don't want you to miss it, and so just keep on watching there and you'll find the password to the whole file. So let's go. Let me show you. These are all of them. I'm going to show you each and every single one of them, how to customize them as well. And so let's go. Let me open it. And then this is the first one. Okay, so let's open it in Photoshop. I want you to see how it looks like. Now these are high quality mockups, guys. This is the stuff that I've been using all this while. It's quite easy, and if you want to add more, change the background, you can easily change the background. You can see, you can easily do that. You can easily change this one as well and pick the colors that you love or you want to use. So that is with this particular one. Now I want us to go to the others as well. Okay, now this one is the main one as well, so I'm going to double click it and then I'll drag my image in there and then I'll resize it, enter, and then Ctrl S to save it. Let's wait 99%. We can now close it, and then you can see it featured over here as well. Now the back, this particular back, this is it. You can see back paper, so that is where you go for it, and then you can choose black color or ash color, whatever color you love. Or you could, if you have the back cover of the paper, you can also put it there, and then once it's saved you close it, and then it will feature there as well. So you can see it's quite simple. This one also, you can customize the background, even the shadow. You can customize the color of the shadow too. So that is it. All right, so let's go to the other ones too. Let's go back. These are also quite interesting ones. I don't know, for some reason my clients really love this type of, let me put a design here, really love this type of this type of mockup. I don't know why they really love this. Once I send two different types to them, they always say, can you send this one to me, can you always send it, the mockup, in this style. So I realized they really like it. Okay, so you can see it's there. and then the one underneath it, you can also paste it there and then save it, and then it will reflect there as well. You can see it reflecting there nicely. Okay, so that is up with these ones. Let's close it now. It comes with other variations too, and so let me show you the variations. It comes with other variations. There's another variation. Okay, there's another variation, and that is also another variation as well. Okay, so these are all variations. Now guys, this is the last one. It's quite technical. This last one is quite technical, and so I reserved it for the last. All right, so now this is also another wrinkled one, but it comes with a displacement map, 4 displacement maps, and then you can see 4 different fabric mockups as well. Now I'm going to just, which one should I even click? They are all the same color, so I'll click on this one, and I want to show you something. Now you can see the displays over here. Yes, that is how it. Now if you are having a Photoshop that is a little bit lower, like maybe Photoshop 2021, and your graphics card is not really working, you might find this side grayed out a little bit, and it's quite unfortunate. Okay, so guys, forgive the designer who did this. I didn't do this, okay, but the designer, really didn't actually do this well. So if you want to use it, your design goes here. You can see, so double click it, and then you can paste your design in there. Now Control T, and then you can just resize your let's say counterclockwise, and then you can just, yep, exactly, and then drag it there, and you can hold shift and then drag this side to this side as well. Make sure everything is covered, and then enter, and then save it. But here's the thing, you can see could not update smart object because the file could not be found. So now you click on it, and then file could not be found, right? So that's the downside to it. So let's rasterize it too, and then let's see what it's going to do. Control S to save it again, and then it will try to process and to give it the exact same thing again. Now that is the problem I have with it. So let's go down here to this. You can see it's quite distorted. That's the problem I used to have with this particular one. So let's bring it in there too, and then see to go back again. Once we double click it, guys, follow me carefully, and then we try to give it some figures. Now it will give us the opportunity to be able to choose the the displacement that we want. So let's just give it 7, 18, 18, or no, let's just give it 14, 14, and then we click on OK. Now it's going to give us the opportunity to choose the displacement maps. I'll go to documents, I'll go to A4, I'll go to the last one, then I'll go there, and then I'll go and look for the displays. We have 4 different variations. Which one should I pick? I can pick 3, and then once I click on OK or open, it works. You can see it works over there. So now the displacement is working now. All right, now the displacement is working now, and then also the contrast. You can see this is the contrast. You can work on the contrast a little bit, and then the highlights too. You can see this is the highlights. You can work on the highlights a little bit. Okay, some way somehow the highlights are ingrained into this, and so it is quite different, and it's also screen. So let's just reduce it a little bit. You can see it's really dark. Let's bring it back. Let's duplicate it by clicking there, and then let's go to duplicate layer, and then okay, let's see what it's going to give us. See, that one is also very but we can give it a mask and then pick our branch, our brush, and then increase the size a little bit more. All right, increase the size a little bit more, and then just brush this side. Okay, just brush this side, and that is what you have. Okay, so I don't know, the designer didn't really design this well, but we can manage it. Okay, we can manage it. And so guys, if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. Now if you want me to continue giving you guys free stuff that I use for my designs, some of them are really interesting to use. Some of them will save you time and energy and the frustration as well. I have a lot of them sitting on my machine. All I want you to do for me is to like this video and then just send a comment. Even if it's a 3-word comment, just send it there, and then let's see how it goes. Okay, so guys, see you in the next video.